Welcome to another video in Bolivia. We're here in Cotapata National Park at 4,760 meters and we're about to cycle Death Road.
I can't actually believe I've agreed to do this, especially since a couple of days ago we met a guy at Kili Kili viewpoint in La Paz, and he just broke his shoulder doing this exact Death Road cycle, but we'd already booked it that morning, so
he was like, you'll be fine, it's absolutely fine. He had his arm bandaged up and everything.
But we're excited, the tunes have been pumping this morning, and something super funny happened this morning. When we met our tour guide, he came up to greet Craig. Craig went to fist pump him, he went to handshake, and they basically just did this for about a few minutes.
We ended up having a game of rock, paper, scissors. It went on for way longer than it should have been. Yeah, it's about an hour's drive outside of La Paz. You have to pay about 50 Bolivianos each to get into the national park, and we're about to go and get kitted up.
Luckily, we're up high altitude and we just cycled downhill and then meet our van at the bottom. But it's still about a 6-hour cycle, so I can't believe I've actually agreed to do this. This is insane.
Here goes. Wish us luck.
Yeah, my stomach is flipping.
Let's go. Here's all our equipment. So we've got some coveralls for the bottom and the top. We've got some knee pads and elbow pads and some gloves as well. And we've also got some helmets as well. And I'm very grateful because it's got the GoPro clip attachment.
Got myself a nice extra small helmet because the small was too big. So still got space for sunglasses, just a bit of space. Hopefully I'll be alright. The scenery is already insane. Hopefully the stunning scenery will distract me from the terrible fear that I'm feeling. How do I do this thing up?
So we've got the coverall jacket on, got the knee pads, got some elbow pads on as well. Check out this helmet. And like I said, grateful to have the GoPro mount on top as well. I need both hands for the handlebars. How are you feeling?
Pretty good now. Got all the gear on, had a little bike ride test and feeling good. The nerves have kind of softened a little bit, so that's good. They're still there, but let's do this. Woohoo! Let's go. Death Road. 6 hours.
Let's go. Woo! Car's coming. Ah! Check out these views. The road snaking down there. Amazing. Woo! Richie! Okay, perfect. How was that?
Yeah, it was awesome. It's pretty easy, just don't cycle. You just have to center it all.
Just glide down.
Yeah. I worry about you at the back though, because I can't really turn to check where Craig is. It's a bit worrying.
Yeah, don't worry about me.
Yeah. You do you, I'll do me. Yeah. I got this.
I'll yell if I need to.
Yeah,
Death Road, woo!
First step done.
Just stopped at our first viewpoint and just check out this valley. Epic. We're going to be going all the way down here. We started at about 4,600 meters. We're going all the way down to 1,000 meters. Just look at the clouds sat in the valley up there. It's time to go. Vamos.
Vamos, vamos.
Right, let's go. Check out these views. Made a quick stop on the side of the road. My hair looks great. And we're avoiding this tunnel and we're going off-road for a minute. Everyone's loving it. This off-road section looks pretty crazy. Just a short one and then we're stopping for lunch. Tadas. First off-road section.
Yeah, it was alright, but I did take a massive rock to the shin, which wasn't my favourite part. Yeah.
Check out this landscape. You can see the clouds and the mist forming off the side of the mountains. Beautiful sunny day. Look at the mist up there as well. So I think we're putting the bikes back on the van. We can have some lunch, go a bit further down, and then jump back on the bikes, I think. See what happens.
Just cyclists everywhere.
So we just jumped off the van. We've driven about 10-15 minutes further along the road, come off of the main asphalt road that we were on, and came down a really rickety track which you could see off the side of the mountain, both sides. Well, you couldn't really see actually because we're up in the clouds, but we've just stopped here for lunch. Lots of chickens and puppies around, and there's other cyclists. Actually feels warmer here. The cycle down this morning was in quite cool air. It's quite cool up here, but it feels a little bit more tropical, and look at the mountains behind us, covered in cloud. It's epic. You've got all these other cyclists here about to continue down the death road. It's going to be a hell of a lot more bumpy from here on out. But time to have lunch.
Who's this little guy? You're so tiny. What are you doing out here?
Thing.
Yeah.
You look so tired.
I'm gonna share my food with you. Oh, and there's a chicken. That's all going on up here. I'm in love. You're gonna send him to sleep in a sec. He's just like...
We're taking him home.
Yeah, we're in love.
The viewpoint from our lunch spot is absolutely insane. We've got this unusual building here, this memorial type thing, but then if I turn around this way, look at that. Absolutely incredible. And that's what we're about to go cycling down. And it feels a lot more warmer and humid on this side of the mountains. Over in La Paz it feels a lot cooler, but here you can really feel, feels like more subtropical here, a lot more humid, but that's what we're about to take on. This is an epic tour, it really is. Really good lunch stop, and now it's time for the serious stuff, to take on the real death road. This part of the death road is featured on things like World's Dangerous Roads and Top Gear as well. So yeah, let's see how it goes. It's supposed to be tough on your hands. Let's go, let's do this. Vamos!
Let's go! Goodbye, puppy and cockerel and chickens.
Ciao!
And we are off for our afternoon of craziness.
Woohoo! Wow, that cloud! Wow, this place. And up there is where we've just come from.
Wow, that bit was savage. My arms are rocking and my hands, they are on fire, but I don't want to let go. It was fun, and look at this stunning view with a cloud coming through. This is insane!
How's it going, guys? Everyone loving it so far?
Yeah.
What's the vibes?
How good is this?
Loving the tropical vibes.
Just stopping to take some pictures, and don't look down.
Yeah.
It's the party line. If I do that, then you're a bit further forward. Death Road, Bolivia.
One by one.
We are brothers. So just stopped for a quick photo, and we have just done 6 kilometers on this crazy terrain, and we've only got another 27 to go. But yeah, already arms are shaking and burning away, but it's great fun. beautiful views. It's so tropical now. Been like cycling through waterfalls, getting rained on. It's great.
Let's ride. Come a little bit further, and as well as more epic views, we've just stopped by
San Juan waterfall. It is stunning, and I cannot wait to cycle underneath it in a little bit and get showered by it. Look how huge that thing is.
Look at that.
Goes on and on.
It's just a very fine waterfall running off the top of the mountain there. There's been some other waterfalls we've cycled past en route as well.
And just look at the vegetation in this bowl-shaped valley and the sunlight hitting it over there.
And can't believe how much warmer it is here. It is so much warmer here.
Luckily we're going to go for a swim at the end and cool off. Looking forward to that.
Got a map here of the route we've taken today. Obviously we started the day in La Paz and we've driven up here to 4,700 meters. And then this was the tarmac road, the first bit that we cycled along. We then jumped in the van and drove along to this road here, and ever since we've been cycling off-road along this trail. We are now at San Juan waterfalls. This is the old road here and this is the new road, so we're going to continue all the way to the bottom here, and then we will jump in the van, and then we're going to drive a little bit further and go for a swim, and then we're going to go up the new road. Look how wiggly it is all the way back to La Paz, and apparently that journey takes about 3 hours.
Yeah, when we first started cycling along the tarmac track today, I was like, oh, I'm in for a nice leisurely day. This is lovely, all downhill, tarmac, a few potholes, nothing too much. And then we stopped for lunch, there was a cute puppy. I was like, this day is great. And then it changed. And now it's been like for the last, I don't know, 10 kilometers. But it is awesome. It's getting more and more tropical as we go down. I love it. Highly recommend doing this.
Woohoo!
Wow.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Nice. This is why it's called the Death Road.
Yeah.
Not everything goes to
I
plan.
know.
Not everything goes
That
smoothly.
puncture when I was like hooning down that hill.
No, absolute hero of a guide.
Yeah, I know. It's changed that a lot quicker than I could have anyway.
Yeah, I'm impressed. Uh-oh, disaster on the death road.
We've just stopped for a 10-minute rest. We've cycled, I don't know, another 20 minutes or so. It's much warmer down here, and also there's actually been parts of the road that we've actually had to pedal on.
Yeah. So what is this? This is too much like hard work. I've got to change gears.
And it definitely feels so much more tropical here. It's warmer, there's actually bugs flying in the air.
Everyone's delayering.
And we cycled past like a coca plantation as well.
Yeah.
Just literally halfway across the road. Just a load of
Drying out.
tarpaulin with coca leaves laying on top. Yeah, we've stopped off here for about another 10 minutes or so. There's some more doggos, and I think we've got about another 20 minutes of cycling after this.
2k to go.
The team's enjoying the relax.
Chile.
Needed.
Chile, Argentina, Bolivia, England, England, Ireland and Australia as well. Yeah.
Hello.
There's so many gorgeous pup-pups in South America.
Also an awesome death road sign, which is weird. You get to see it as you get to the bottom, so you have to earn the sign.
Time to vamos for the final leg.
Yeah.
Last 20 minutes. Let's do this. Vamos, Christy, vamos!
Nailed
Death
it.
Road.
Well done, Craig.
Yeah.
Heaps of fun.
Well done, no one fell off.
No.
Woohoo.
No third world X-ray machines to report.
Yeah, we nailed it.
Exactly.
Very good.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, Death Road. We've done it.
That last 20 minutes was just pain. My
That
wrists
was
hate me. That
Torture, that last bit. I'm not too bad apart from the palms of my hands. They're what hurt the most.
was- yeah.
What a cycle.
Yeah,
The
that
things
is-
we've seen today.
Yeah, that is the most beautiful road I've ever seen in my life. Well, not the actual road, that's like, the road is kind of like
The surface.
killer, the surface, but the scenery, I've never seen anything like that in my life. If you come to
Incredible.
Bolivia, you have to cycle the Death Road, like seriously. It's not as scary as it sounds.
Also, what a relief this is from altitude.
Yeah.
We're down at 1,000 meters or something now.
Yeah.
It's tropical here. Can hear cicadas and crickets in the hedges, and it's just lovely.
There's
What a
bugs
relief.
everywhere. It sounds really strange, but we haven't seen bugs for months.
Yeah.
Because we've just been either at altitude or really cold climates, and it's like, well, all these little things flying around.
Every day's a school day. Bugs don't like altitude. Llamas, alpacas,
They do.
guanacos, they do.
Yeah.
Now for the relaxing time.
Yeah, that's what I've been looking forward to all day.
Jumping in the van and time to go and hit the pool and relax. I don't know how long we're in the van for. Kirsty's grateful to get away from the bugs.
Yeah, the bugs are insane.
We are the champions, my friends, of the Death Road. Here we are, we've arrived in the tropical heat, and this is where we're going to spend the next few hours.
Yeah.
Get me in the pool.
Wow, it's so beautiful here. So many colours and so pretty.
So weird being in La Paz at high altitude and it's cold up there,
Yeah.
not tropical. We've just come over a mountain peak
Yeah.
and then it's tropical and everything that goes with that. It's
Yeah,
mental.
like-
Yeah.
Oh, that's refreshing.
that was cold.
That's fresh.
That is a good way to end it. We'll end it there. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed.
Hope you've enjoyed today's mental adventure.
Make sure you get yourself on the Death Road. It's been awesome. Thanks
Yeah,
for
and then
watching.
come to the tropical side as well. Yeah. It's really nice.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe so you can see our adventures coming up in the rest of South America as we head off.
Yeah, we're going somewhere warm now. We've had a mental adventure ever since leaving Vina del Mar.
Yeah.
So we're going somewhere warm next.
Yeah. Time to chill on a beach for a while, I think.
For sure. Thanks so much for watching. Kirsty's drowning me.